Hey everyone, so thought I'd do a little video on GBP/AUD, so the British pound with the Australian dollar, as you can see up here. There we go. I actually haven't traded this in a couple of months, but I did still have these potential paths of either an ABC down, which would have ended around here at a maximum, or the 5-wave move down. Both were still left on my chart. And when I jumped on the other day to have a look at it, it was just finishing off this 4 that I had up here. So I thought, perfect opportunity to maybe start trading it again. Firstly, we're on a daily chart. You can see we're now underneath the green cloud. And on the right-hand side, we've got lots of selling resistance. So now I'm going to zoom into a 4-hour chart. So I looked at this 4-hour chart. I drew this trend line that wasn't actually in there from previous. So I drew that in, had a look at the count and thought, well, the reason I don't think it's an ABC, well, it isn't an ABC, is because when you get an ABC, the C here should finish, it can equal A, which is all the way up here. If not, normally goes to the 1.0 extension. But if it goes through the 1.618, which this has, because it's gone all the way down here, it then isn't a C wave anymore, and it's an impulsive wave 3. So we know now that that's an impulsive wave 3 instead. So do you know what? Now that I'm doing this live, I can take that off. So that's obviously what led me to think this is a wave 4. And as you can see, very choppy rising wedge. As you know, or may not know, rising wedges normally fail to the downside. And this would be the wedge there. So as I seen that, I thought, right, when it breaks this line here, more than likely carrying on down. So I did enter a short yesterday, I think it was, around about, I think it was this area. I pulled out of it about here because I thought we were at the bottom of wave 1. So now we've got, basically, so now this is a wave 1 down, wave 2 up. I'm expecting a 3, 4, 5 down, and that would finish off the larger 5-wave move and be the 5th wave. So it would actually go like this. I've already done the fib enhancement for wave 1 and 2. Let's just say that is wave 1 and 2 in now, and it doesn't go any further. This is how it should play out. So from the top of 1, 2, 3 should come down to around about there. 4 and 5 in normally the target for a 5 is the 2.0 extension. So there, but they can extend to the 2.6 down here. But we'll leave it there for now. But also, yeah, we could, doing that wrong. 2 seconds. Just want to extend that slightly because it actually could be on the 2.1. It could hit the 2.618 there. It probably won't, because the wave 3 was slightly extended and nearly hit the 2.0 extension down here. You can see it's just ended about here, so it's past that, but hasn't quite made that. So that's, like as I said, the 2.0 is the normal extension you go for, but in this case, on the larger scale, it's going to blow through that by the looks of it, because it needs to get the 5 down here to the 2.0, but that's fine. As I said, they can extend to the 2.618 anyway. So right now, I'm entering shorts, expecting us to go into wave 3 soon. So hoping to basically catch this whole move down from like where I've entered here tonight all the way down to around about here. And that's probably when I'll collect profits in. Just going to swing trade this. Probably not even going to trade the wave 4 and 5, to be honest with you. I might do. Might trade the wave 5 anyway, but I'm not trading. I'm not really trading wave 4s anymore, unless it's on a day trading basis on a shorter time frame, like a 15-minute or something like that. I can get away with trading it then, but I don't really like trading wave 4s because they're just a bit choppy and messy. Just like this wave 2, you just never know what they're going to do either. They can turn into triangles. They can be very complicated. So I think as I mature as a trader, I'm starting to realise that it is better to just sit certain waves out, like the corrective waves, wave 2 and 4 and wave B. On a longer term basis, I probably won't trade them because they're just really choppy and annoying. And I'd rather just scalp them on a short-term basis, and then when I know that there's a wave 3 coming, or a wave 1, 3, 5, or an A or a C, I can potentially look to catch the big runs then instead, because it's going to be less choppy action and give you more of an opportunity to get in on the run. But yeah, that's what I've really got to say about GBP AUD. I'll give you an update in a few days of how it's going, but obviously I'll tell you what, I'll put it on the chart now, just so it's here for when I come back for the next video. Oh, it's not the right thing. I do that quite a lot when I'm live on video. Okay, I don't even know how to get rid of that now. Well, that's good, isn't it? Oh God, I don't know how to get rid. Oh, there it is. Right, now I can tell you that. See, I'm still even learning myself. 2 seconds, I will do that again. I'm half asleep here, which is why I'm pressing the wrong things. I'm in bed right now, just chilling. So I did enter a position about here earlier. So sell here. It's at a slight minus at the minute. I think it was around about there. Now I'm going to clone that, because yeah, well, that's actually whereabouts I've had it. Actually, I've entered. God, sometimes you've got so many things on the screen you can't click me. I've actually entered another one about here, so I'll move them across a bit to there. They're about there and there. One's at a slight minus at the minute, and I've added another one at the top. So I'm looking to catch the move all the way down from here. I'll be back in a few days with an update on this, and we'll see if it's following my path.